Hi, and welcome to Flower Budget's Case Study Fridays. Today we're meeting Devon, a successful professional with a strong income. But despite earning more money than ever before, he wasn't building the wealth he expected. On paper, Devon looked financially successful. He had a great career, a steady paycheck, and the ability to afford many of the things he wanted. But behind the scenes, he noticed a troubling pattern. As his income increased, so did his spending. Raises turned into bigger purchases, bonuses disappeared quickly, and although he was earning more, he wasn't making the financial progress he thought he should be. Devon realized that his biggest challenge wasn't his income, it was his mindset. He had spent years focusing on earning money, but very little time thinking about how to keep, grow, and manage it. That's when Devon decided to rewrite his money story. He started using the Flower Budgets method to create a simple framework for managing his finances. 60% for bills and fixed expenses, 20% for variable expenses and cash budgeting, and 20% for savings and wealth building. For the first time, Devon began treating wealth building as a priority instead of an afterthought. He automated his savings. He set clear financial goals. He tracked his spending habits. Most importantly, he stopped asking, "Can I afford this?" and started asking, "Will this help me build the future I want?" That simple shift changed everything. Instead of focusing on appearances, Devon began focusing on long-term financial freedom. He learned that building wealth isn't just about how much money you make. It's about how intentionally you manage the money you keep. Over time, his savings grew. His financial confidence increased, and he finally felt like his income was working for him instead of disappearing every month. Key takeaways. A high income does not automatically create wealth. Wealth building starts with intentional decisions. Lifestyle inflation can quietly slow financial progress. Saving and investing should be priorities, not leftovers. Your mindset plays a major role in your financial future. If Devon's story sounds familiar, remember that financial success isn't measured by what you earn, it's measured by what you build. Thank you for joining me for today's Case Study Fridays episode. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who is ready to make a mindset shift with their money. And remember, small steps, big blossoms.